My name is Charles Owen C. Piñaverde, and I am here to report or to memorize the Article 134, 134A, and 139. Rebellion, Kudeta, and Sedition. Article 134, Rebellion or Insurrection. The crime of rebellion or insurrection is committed by public uprising and taking arms against the government for the purpose of removing from the allegiance to said government on its laws, the territory of the Philippine Islands or any part thereof, of any body of the land, naval or other armed forces, or of depriving the chief executive or the legislature wholly or partially of any of their powers or prerogatives. Article 134A, Kudeta. Kudeta is a swift attack accompanied by violence, intimidation, and threat, strategy, or stealth directed against the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines. Tapos, or any military camp or installation, communications, networks, public utilities, or other facilities needed for the exercise and continued possession of power singly or simultaneously carried out by a person or persons belonging to a military or police or holding any public office without a civilian support or participation for the purpose of seizing or diminishing state power. Article 139, Sedition. The crime of sedition is committed by any persons who rise publicly and tumultuously in order to attain by force or any of the following objects. Number 1 is to prevent the promulgation or execution of any law or the holding of any popular election. Number 2, to prevent the insular government or any provincial or municipal government or any public officer thereof from freely exercise its or his functions or prevent the execution of any administrative order. Number 3, to inflict any act of hate or revenge upon the person or property of any public officers or employees. Number 4, to commit for any political or social and any act of hate or revenge against the private persons or any social class, and to despoil for any political or social end and any person, municipality or province or the insular government or the government of the Philippines of all its property or any part thereof.